So before we finish the course, I wanted to show you a really helpful thing that you can do to help you learn additional APIs in Android. And that's to build some of the sample projects that come with the SDK. And you can use those as the basis for your own applications. So when we downloaded the SDKs, remember we also downloaded the samples for Gingerbread as well. So here in Eclipse, I'm just going to create a new project. And what I'm going to do is to show you an example that shows you how to access the accelerometer on the device. So I'm going to create a project. I'll just call it Excel for short. And we need to choose a build target. So we're going to choose Gingerbread. And instead of creating a new project, we're going to create a project from an existing sample. And what we can do is look inside of here, and we can see all of these different samples, which really show you how to actually access a lot of these APIs. We're going to choose accelerometer play and click finish. And this is going to create an application for us. Now, if we actually go in here and look at our main activity class, when we launch it, we can see it's actually a very well documented example of how to access the accelerometer and to create a simple simulation. Now, this one's pretty lengthy, but you can see it's all very well documented, and it's a great way to actually learn how to use different APIs, sensors, and different parts of the Android system. So now I can take this and actually go through and modify this accelerometer code, do anything I want with it basically. So now what I want to do is just to run this so I can show you. Now obviously we're going to be running this on a real device because in the emulator we obviously don't have a way to mimic accelerometer. So I just launched it now, so let's take a look at this actually on the device. Okay, so here's my application actually running on the device, and we can see as I move the phone around, the accelerometer is causing all of these balls to actually move, again, based on that accelerometer sensor data. So you can see very quickly I was able to take some of the existing code that comes with the SDK, build it, put it on my phone, and again, now I can use this as the basis to, say, create a game using the accelerometer. So definitely look through all of the samples because there's some really great code snippets in there to help you to learn more about Android.